Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're out here on the back porch, or the screened-in porch, and been working on it pretty good. We finally got the floor down, and I'm going to show you that right now. It looks really great. Kind of still messy out here, but we're getting there. So let me show you the floor. Disregard the sleeping dog. So we're going to start working on the walls next, and I just finished nailing my top plates up, and it started raining, and it's been raining on and off. Not a hard rain, just a drizzling rain, just enough to make it aggravating. So I'm going to hold off a little bit, and thought I'd start my video while I was waiting on it. But I got the top plate, so I'm going to nail my bottom wall, part of the wall down, figure out my doors, and get started on that. I don't think it's going to take all that long. Kind of got my electrical figured out. Of course, this wire's going to be the fan, the new fan. I'm going to put a switch here for the fan, and an outlet down there, right down here somewhere. And then the lights for the, we bought the lights today. There'll be a switch on the inside of this door and a switch on the inside of the kitchen, and that'll control the ceiling lights. So we're going to do like an LED light, and then I'll have a switch here. Somehow I'm going to put one on this post to get this out the existing porch. So wish it wasn't drizzling. Ain't no sense working out in the rain getting sick. So just gonna give you a little update, and when I come back out here and start the walls, I'll show you all that. So we're really happy with the decking. Of course, like I said, I think on my last video, I don't know if I would do it again, but I would do it again. Once we started going, we kind of figured out I was nailing it down too tight, or screwing it down too tight. And once we figured all that out, got going, I mean, we flew through that. Matter of fact, we ran out of stuff, and then we had to run to Home Depot first thing this morning and get some more little clips. So yeah, we've had a pretty productive morning. Got the floor finished, and went to Home Depot, sold some eggs. We did something else too, I can't remember what it was. But anyway, oh, our coffee pot quit working. Dadgummit, so I had to go to Hardee's, or not Hardee's, but McDonald's to get some coffee this morning. So I've only had one cup of coffee today. So anyway, I'm gonna take a little break here while it's drizzling, and go watch a little college football, and if it quits, we'll come back out here and work on these walls. Okay, so we started the walls, and this is of course going to be a doorway. And what I did, I took the center of this pad, this sidewalk, and transferred it up here, and then I laid my door out. It's a 3-foot door, not a 3-foot, a 3-0 door, 36 inches wide. And we decided to go with a different system so I can spread my uprights farther apart. I've got this one basically 44, and then those two down there are 38, so I kind of split the difference. I wasn't going to go every 2 foot, but I can save a little bit of money by spreading it out. And I'm going to build that back wall next, and then I got to put cross arms here, cross members here, and I'll show that to you, because we're going to put siding up so high on the inside and on the outside, and that's for the little doggy. We bring little Louie out here, that way he won't jump up there and tear the screen. It'd be cheaper if you just went all the way down with screen. But we got Dixie that lays out there, and I don't want her laying against the screen and ruining it, so it'll be against siding, and on the inside Louie will be against siding. So I'm going to take a break and get some measurements over there, then I'll come back and we'll show you the other wall. Okay, so I got this wall studded, and but I still got to put my door jacks in. I got that back wall, we got it studded. And you can see I'm putting these cross pieces in, and these I'm going to do this across there. And what we're going to do, on the outside, we're going to take this blue siding and come around the same on the outside. On the inside, we're going to put like a shiplap down at the bottom. So that's what we come up with. And then she's going to paint these up from here up. It's going to be painted. So I'm going to try to get all this done and get her to painting, and I'll maybe work on the electric in the ceiling while she's doing that. So I think I'm gonna call it a night. I gotta go get ready for the live. So I got to rest up a minute. Last week I went about 10 minutes till. Got to do my chores. Had to rush to do my chores, and I don't know if you noticed, but I was sweating like a pig when I was doing my live. So anyway, we're gonna call it a night, and I'll come back out here tomorrow and do some more, and we'll show you what we do tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day, and I just got through with the 2 big walls, and it's basically the same thing. What I did was put a top and bottom plate. I nailed the bottom, and I laid out the bottom and nailed it. And then I plumbed up to here, nailed the top, and then I put these cross pieces in. So, like I said before, from here down is going to be siding, and from here up will be screen. And we're going to paint this from here up white to make it look better, and the siding down here will be white. The outside will be the blue that we've done. So me and my wife, we've done the blue vinyl, so we'll just carry it on around. That's kind of been the hold up. We've come all the way around to here, and we kind of got to there, and we thought, well, we need to get this porch done because it won't all line up. So once we get this porch done, we're going to finish up our siding, or we might hire somebody to do it, I don't know. So all I got left now is this little wall here. I got to come out. I'm going to come out straight, then turn here. I'm going to put a door here, and this door here will most likely be temporary because we're going to screen out the rest of this little porch here at some point. So it might be 15 years, or you know, our next husband or something might be doing that. So, but we're going to have a door here, and I'm going to frame it in, and you can see all that. I think I'm going to go ahead put the doors in, and while she's painting, I'm going to do the electrical. So that'll be in the next video in this series. So appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up. I had fun on the live last night. We're going to keep it going. I did have one person claim the bag, so I just got one more gift. And if they don't call or send me an email before next Monday, I'll give it away, and that's the knife. So got a video Friday, and then next Monday will be a live. We'll give that knife away. I appreciate everybody watching. Enjoy that live. I'll enjoy chit-chatting with everybody. So if you're not doing the live, come Monday night at 8 o'clock and chit-chat with me, and see me live and see how everything goes. I don't get to edit or anything on that one. So anyway, I'm rambling. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. Hit that subscribe button. We appreciate all our subscribers and everybody watching. See you down in the farm next video.